What are locusts? How dangerous locusts can be? Do we really need to worry? Where did they come from? Are they a threat to us? Is it happening for the first time? We are going to answer some of these questions on locusts. What are locusts? Locusts are also known as desert locusts. They are part of large group of insects commonly called grasshoppers, which have big hind legs which help them in jumping. Locusts differ from grasshoppers in that they have the ability to change their behavior and habits and can migrate over large distances. Each locust swarm can be 80 to 10 km in length and 2 to 3 km in width. They travel in packs of millions and millions. Where do they come from? It is believed that the desert locust originated from Horn of Africa region of Eastern Africa. It is the easternmost extension of African land. This region is the home to the countries of Djibouti, Eritrea, Ethiopia and Somalia. What makes locusts dangerous? They are voracious feeders. They feed on green vegetation such as fodder, crop and pasture. A locust in 1 square kilometer can destroy crops meant for consumption by over 35,000 people in a day. They are a threat to agriculture and food security. They have very high breeding rate. A female can lay at least 3 times in their lifetime, usually at an interval of about 6 to 11 days. Up to 1,000 egg pod have been found in 1 square meter. They can migrate over large distances. They usually fly with the wind at a speed of about 16 to 19 km per hour. Swarms can travel about 5 to 130 km or more in a day. Is this the first time India witnessing such outbreak? Over last few weeks, they have already entered states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Since 2019, we are tracing emergence of locust swarm in Horn of Africa region. Over 1 year, they have migrated from Horn of Africa to West Asia, Oman. From there, they entered Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and from there it entered India. Locusts repeat in cycle. Once the outbreak is reported, it lasts for 2 years, followed by 8 years of silent period, and again the cycle continues. It is reported that between 1964 to 1997, 13 locust upsurges took place. How do India tackle them? India's Ministry of Agriculture has even set up a locust warning organization in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, in order to track and monitor these swarms that enter India from Pakistan. When did the last major locust swarm occurred in India? According to LWO, the last major locust swarm occurred back in 1990s. After a gap of 26 years, a minor locust swarm have entered India in 2019. What's the difference between the swarm that entered last year in 2019 and this year 2020? According to Locust Warning Organization LWO, the locust swarm of this year poses much bigger threat to agriculture, especially in western parts of India. The locusts that entered last year were mature, means they have shorter lifespan, less chance of breeding, but locusts that entered this year are usually immature. They are not fully grown. They will have large lifespan in India, and once they reach adult stage, going to start breeding in India. This is a major concern for Indian agriculture, especially in areas of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat.